Namaste. Stories have always fascinated us. We've been listening to stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata, fairy tales, and many other sources. These stories are loaded with knowledge and moral. When imparted in the right way, it impacts our lives and changes our lives. Stories are created to impart lessons to the children. Stories remain in our memories for a longer time, and so do the lessons. With the same concept, we bring to you our unique program, Noble Kids Storytelling and Character Building Workshop. These sessions are loaded with lots of interesting stories and practices. Children get to understand the importance of these virtues and implement them in their daily lives. You also get a free counseling session at the end of all these sessions. I hope to see all your children in this workshop. Thank you.